Hello students. In the first part we saw how to join adjectives and complements using conjunctions, and today we are going to see the most important part of cumulative conjunctions, that is joining subjects. There are some minute details here that you have to remember. As you know, subjects appear in the beginning. There will be use of these conjunctions right in the beginning because subjects appear in the beginning, so you have to join them right in the beginning only. So conjunctions will be used automatically in the beginning, but you have to be careful of here singular and plural. So you must know the meanings conveyed by these four conjunctions, and as well as not only but also both. And in case of singulars and plurals, and both, and as they join two singular subjects or two singular subjects, then that common subject will become plural. I repeat, by the use of and both, and subject becomes plural. But even after using as well as and not only but also, the two subjects joined together cannot become plural, they will remain singular only. Again I repeat, and both, and when two singular nouns are joined, subject becomes plural. But when you join the same subjects using as well as and not only but also, still subject remains singular. Now see the example here. Ram works hard, Sham works hard. Here subjects are Ram and Sham. So Ram and Sham work hard. As I told you, using and, subject becomes plural. So verb is plural work. S is removed. But same Ram as well as Sham works hard. Still after using as well as, subject is considered only Ram. Sham is just an addition to him. So Ram is the main subject, so verb is singular. So and as well as appear in the middle of two different subjects, and common part is placed after the subjects. Remember this. Now use of both and not only but also. Now both and not only but also will appear in the beginning, both after that, or not only and after that, first subject, then in case of both and second subject, and in case of not only but also is put and then second subject. Only difference is, as I told you in the beginning, both and subject becomes plural. Ram and Sham both are taken into account, but in case of not only but also, one is taken into account, so subject will be verb will be singular, as subject is singular in case of not only and as well as, and in case of and both, and subject is taken or considered plural, so verb will be plural. I hope you might have understood this. Again I repeat, and as well as appear in the middle of two subjects, and both and not only but also, some first part of these conjunctions is used in the beginning. After that, first subject and then second part of the conjunction and then second subject. Now how to join objects. You know the position of object in the sentence, so objects come after the verb, so definitely some common part will be used before the verb from both the sentences given. And so similarly, and as well as, they will be placed between the two objects, and not only but also, they some part will come before the first object, and some part, no, second object will be placed after the second part of the conjunctions. How? See, the teacher punished Rohan, he also punished Mohan. He means here same teacher. Okay. So what you have to join here? Two different objects. Common part, subjects are common. The teacher taken into common. Verb is also common. The teacher punished. Now what are the two different objects? Rohan, Mohan. So Rohan and Mohan. and will come between the two objects. The teacher punished Rohan as well as Mohan. And as well as between the two objects. The teacher punished. Now see here, both and not only but also. They will not come between the two objects because they are pairs. So some part of it will be used before the first object and some part will be used before the second object. So the teacher punished both Rohan and Mohan. Similarly, the teacher punished not only first then first object Rohan but also second object Mohan, like this. So it's very simple. And joining verbs, it's two different verbs will be given in the sentence. Subject will be common. See here, as verbs appear after subjects not only but also and both and are used after subjects. So as you are joining two different verbs, in case of not only but also, they will come before verbs, but and as well as they will be used between two verbs. How? See here, he plays the guitar, he also sings songs. Now subject is common here only, verb is different. Here also verb is different. As verbs are different, definitely objects will be different. Okay, so he plays the guitar and sings songs. No need to repeat the subject because that common part is taken in the beginning. So he plays the guitar and sings songs. Remember students, here you cannot use and after plays. He plays and sings songs like this. It is completely wrong because objects are different here. So you have to carry on with the objects along with verbs. So he plays the guitar and sings songs. Okay, if objects are same, like he plays the guitar, he plays the violin, then that will come in this part because only objects are different. He plays the guitar, he plays the violin, means the guitar, the violin, objects. So this method will be used for that. But for verbs there will be two different objects, only subject will be common. So he plays the guitar and sings songs. He plays the guitar as well as sings songs. And in case of both and not only, he both, because some part will be used before first verb, he both plays the guitar and sings songs. Same use of not only but also, he first part of conjunction not only plays the guitar but also sings songs. So I hope you might have understood this. I'll post the homework. Thank you.